Are you ready to skyrocket your Instagram game and start earning from your passion? Today, get ready to discover the secrets to unlocking Instagram success. If you're looking to turn your Instagram into a money-making machine, you've come to the right place. This is just the beginning of an exciting journey. In this first video, I'll guide you step by step on choosing the perfect niche and creating an attractive Instagram theme page. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on the upcoming second part of this game-changing series. Let's dive in and make your Instagram dreams a reality. Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Alright, the technique I'm about to show you is a real game changer, especially for those who struggle with making money online. Just have a look to this Instagram pages. This types of theme page are earning between $500 to $1,000 every month by using simple tricks and growing on Instagram. So in this first part of the Instagram theme page series, we will set up our theme page to attract followers to our page. So let's get started. Step 1. Finding a niche. For finding a profitable niche, either you can do your research on Instagram and find some page and which are already have a good followers, and you can copy their niche, or you can ask ChatGPT to give you profitable niche. I will go for the second method, so open ChatGPT and write this prompt. You can get this prompt in description down below. Okay, I will choose this fitness niche. It's a really profitable niche where you will have high chances to get customers and start earning. But still, I will tell you guys, do your research and find a low competitive and profitable niche. Step 2. Writing a good name and bio. Now again, open ChatGPT and I will ask it to give me an attractive name for my Instagram theme page. Now I will ask it to write a bio for my page. I also want it to have some emojis in it. Now just copy all this and keep it somewhere. Guys, you can get all this prompt in the description. Step 3. Creating our profile picture. For getting a profile picture, you can use any of the free AI tools. I will use Lexica, which is a free AI tool which can convert text to image. Go to lexica.art and paste the name of your page and add logo and press search. It will show you a logo related to your text. Now you can choose any one you like. I will go with this one. Let's download it. Step 4. Creating our page. Now comes the fun part. Let's switch to my mobile screen. I know most of you use Instagram on your mobile device, so that is the reason I will show this step on mobile. First, open Instagram and go to create a new account. First, we need to choose a username. Now we need to choose a password. Now click on Complete Sign Up. Wait for the registration to complete. Choose a public account and skip the next part. We will add our profile picture later. As you can see, our page is created. Now go to Edit Profile first, add your profile picture. Now add your name and bio. As you can see, we have successfully created our page. Now in part 2 of this series, I will show you how you can generate content for this and how you can get followers and start earning from them. So don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you for tuning in to this exciting first part of our Instagram theme page series. If you found the information helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss the upcoming game-changing second part. We'll dive deeper into content generation, growing your followers, and turning your passion into profit. Get ready to unleash the true potential of your Instagram journey. Until next time, stay motivated, keep hustling, and make your Instagram dreams a reality.